Women have always been involved in agriculture, and now we're stepping up to the plate.
There are a lot of women students here. They're often our real performers, and they're really the ones who are very entrepreneurial.
Women fit a great role in communication and also having the skills of observation and working well with others.
I found different ways to do something, and that's kind of what agriculture has been all about, is being able to be creative, innovative, and adaptable.
If you don't have an ag background, you do have a higher learning curve, so getting in hands-on, looking at the technical aspects of agriculture that are out there.
I'm still learning how many different paths you can take in agriculture, anywhere from working on a federal level down to owning your own small farm.
Even if they go into a side more of marketing or a side of managing, they're always going to be a consumer, so understanding where their food comes from.
Agriculture affects every single person, and it's important for every single person to be properly educated.
I think it's critical, given the fact that there are so many people on the planet and that we need to eat everywhere we are. Everyone's going to need to eat.
Studying, learning, exploring, having network opportunities is only going to result in a safer, healthy food supply.
The average age now of a farmer is 60 years old. We need people to step up into this kind of industry to be able to keep it going, because if we don't have people, especially women in this industry, what's going to happen to our agricultural way of life?
I'm out, I'm working hands-on, I'm working, interacting with animals every day. And to me, it doesn't feel like a job, it's my lifestyle.
You know, we look at doing everything as hands-on as possible here at SUNY Cobleskill. With that, it allows you to go out into the workplace and utilize that experience that you've had here in a real-life situation.
It's a school that has a ton of stuff that no other school has.
I absolutely learn something every day, whether I'm on a farm, whether I'm teaching students about farming.
It's something I enjoy doing every single day.